awesome.
Even gasoline won't work with a cigarette.
I'm saying it should though, because it would be cool.
It would be cool.
Barbie's last moments.
Do we need any more?
Here, and let me get her some of that. Thank you, partner.
This motherfucker's going on YouTube.
Barbie! Oh, my toes. Oh my god.
There she go.
We got a bonfire going now.
You guys are horrible.
I don't even need the
You're
light no
on
more.
fire. On fire.
We don't need no water. Let the motherfucker burn.
Burn, motherfucker! Burn!
Yeah, she burned. Oh no.
Help me!
She's moving.
Oh, that's weird.
It looks real.
Damn, did y'all see that?
What?
There's a fucking a bigger spider in there, man.
Good, let it die. Where?
On that side over there. Oh, I wish I had a stick.
Anything.
Damn, her titties are burning. Look at it. Oh, God.
Oh my god! That is
You
not
see
a
it?
That's not a spider.
What is it?
That's a centipede.
Oh.
Ew, what the
Oh,
fuck?
shit. You see it? Look, look. Oh, it just fucking crawled like...
Damn, look at Barbie. She's all shrinking.
Oh, wow. Let me light my cigarette.
Don't.
No, it's
It's gonna taste nasty, isn't it?
plastic.
Thank you.
It's just toxic.
Do I have another Barbie I don't like?
It's over.